Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add subtitle in YouTube video. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube studio and we are in content. Now you see videos. So we are going to add subtitle or caption. Now you see pencil icon details. So click on it. Now we are in video details section and then you see subtitle. And then you see message. When we hover on it, select the video language before adding subtitle. Mostly this option enable. If this option is disabled, then on left side you see language. So click on it and then you see select language or set language and then you see set language. So our language is English. So this is our drop down. Now select. So you can select language according to requirement. So we are going to set English. Now select. And then you see checkbox, enable this option. So we are going to make this default for my channel English and then click on confirm. Now you see video language English subtitle are the default source for auto translation of subtitle and audio. So this subtitle generated by YouTube auto. Now you see edit subtitle. So click on it. If you want you can add subtitle. Or if you want you can edit this subtitle. Now you see all subtitle. Now you see all in text format and then you see button edit timing. So click on it. Now you see minute second frame. Again you see minute second frame and then you see text. So you can add text according to requirement and then click on publish. So you can modify this text or you can add text according to requirement. Now you see all. Now close. If you make any change in subtitle or caption, so you can click on publish and then you see upload manual. If you want you can add it. So click on it. Now you see select subtitle file type with timing and then you see without timing. YouTube will sync your subtitle to your video. Audio processing may take a while. So you can add or upload .txt file format. Now you see and then click on continue and then you can upload. Mostly you don't need this feature because YouTube generate subtitle or caption auto and then you can click on edit and then you can change it according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.